Hello, welcome to the Builderall platform. They are the direct competitors to ClickFunnels. Now, like I say, it's worldwide. They're a little younger, but they do so much. They're not just a funnel building platform system, but a whole total website design platform. Has its own autoresponder. Nothing about Builderall is second rate. They've been perfecting it since I want to say like 2016. I know that a lot of people have gone from ClickFunnels to Builderall, partially because of at one point the pricing. So, like I say, I think the pricing is now. I think it's like $70 a month or whatever, but it's worth it. As you can see, like here's a list of all the types of funnels and all the lead building strategies they have, and just like everything that you could do with Builderall, and just imagine, like I say, at the end of the day, I don't feel that you can go wrong. Builderall is great, but here's the next thing: the compensation plan for affiliates is a 2-tier system, and you can stand to make a ton of money. So if you're interested, check out